In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix the video won't upload issue on Etsy in a simple and practical way. First, understand this. Video upload errors on Etsy usually happen because of incorrect format, file size, or video length, not a technical bug. Now, if you want to fix the video won't upload issue on Etsy, here's what to do. Start by checking the video requirements. On Etsy, your video should be in MP4, MOV, or MPG format, around 5 to 15 seconds long and under 100 megabytes. If your video is too long or too large, it won't upload. Next, trim and compress your video. Shorten it to within the allowed time and export it in a lower resolution like 1080p or below. This makes the file lighter and easier to upload. After that, convert the video format if needed. Some devices, especially iPhones, use formats like HEVC or HDR that Etsy may not support well. Export your video as MP4 for the best compatibility. Then, check your internet connection. Video uploads require a stable connection, so switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, avoid weak networks, and try again. If the issue continues, restart the app or browser and try uploading again. This helps clear temporary glitches during the upload process. Keep in mind that shorter, optimized videos upload faster and perform better on listings. That's it. By adjusting your video format, size, and length, you can fix the upload issue and successfully add videos to your Etsy listings.